Okay guys, so let's fix the uploaded file size. File exceeds the upload max file size directive in php.ini. So to fix this, all we have to do is go to cpanel, and in your cpanel just type in php, and you see php ini editor, or nin AINI, sorry. So once you're here, what you want to do is select your domain, and here for us it's this one, and yep. All right, so it's, you see where it says upload max size, just go in there and increase the file size to like what should we say, let's say 64 for example, and save or apply, and let's go back and refresh our website. Okay, so you just refresh the the page, okay, and it's going to upload the file that you were trying to upload that didn't work. So and for us it's this plugin. So as you can see, it has successfully installed, and we're going to activate it. So that is how you solve that problem. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time in another video. Bye bye.